What's up, everybody? Today I want to show you how to use ChatGPT to evaluate a business idea. We're going to do it layer by layer, by industry, business type. Also going to ask some questions related to the market for that specific business and just come up with a quick business plan for that specific business. So, I am looking to start an AI-powered lead generation service offering to run SMS automation on client leads in their database and eventually run ads for the clients, get new leads. First of all, how viable of a business idea is this in today's market? What good potential? Okay, let's just ask that first. Not to jump too far ahead. All right. So when I'm using this for this purpose, I like to dissect it into sections. You can just prompt a bunch of stuff. I mean, you could just type out several paragraphs worth of information and ChatGPT will respond to it. And it'll do a pretty good job. But in my opinion, it's better if you segment and you split what it is you're looking to overall ask or accomplish into pieces and then stack those pieces in such a way that it'll really optimize the output of what's being generated for you. So, all right, well, yeah, so even going into details to profit potential, key considerations. That was one of the questions I was going to ask it already. What is the potential profit? Okay. It's already going into market validation. I didn't even have to ask that. Strong opportunity. Okay. It's even giving some other businesses that are in that same niche. What would you say is the best industry or niche to target for this business? Is it better to focus on a niche, or is it better to be a general to offer a service to all businesses? So, yeah, you can see clearly breaking down the niches rather, what's recommended. Give me 6 niches actually, so you can filter this down further by then asking it of all of these, what is the absolute best? Probably the medical, aesthetics, and med spas won't be the best just because of the potential monthly spend per client, I would say. Create a 90-day business plan to get this business off the ground. Include tools that I So last one I'll ask, and I'll cut the video off. It's already at 5 minutes. I don't like to let these videos run too long. I know everybody, including myself, has a short attention span these days. But anyway, the point of this video was to just show you how you can break up prompts into different segments, and using that to be able to evaluate a business idea and really dissecting it. And of course, you can dissect it way further than this. I'm just obviously stopping at this point because of the time of the video, but you can really get granular as to what you want to know, or different angles of, analyzing things from different angles, different perspectives, and really get a pretty good overall outlook into, in this scenario, a business idea, and see if it's something that's viable, see if it's something that will make sense for you, and if you can execute on it. So let's see, we're at the 60-day mark. So yeah, as you can see, it goes into a good amount of detail. And it goes without saying, everything that ChatGPT generates, you should double check, you should verify, just, do a little cross-referencing, little further research, especially on certain topics. Don't want to just take, blindly what it's telling you as being 100% right all the time, even though these days, especially June 2025 that I'm recording this video, it's gotten very accurate, especially in the last year, 6 months, really. There's been a pretty significant leap forward as to the accuracy of the information that's being generated. So it's definitely not like 2022 or 2023 where it was almost laughably bad sometimes. Once in a while, it'll still kind of, have a hallucination and generate something a little bit out in left field. But overall, it's definitely gotten to be a lot more accurate, a lot more efficient. So, as you can see, you got plenty of information here. So I encourage you to go ahead, try it out. Try segmenting your prompts into different actionable steps, and analyzing what is generating in each step to then determine what the next question will be, or if you already have a follow-up question in mind, tweaking it based on what the generation of the previous question was. So with that, I'll end this video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Have a great day.